Hi, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pig for this coming Chinese New Year. And this is a pig with a pocket. So the pocket you can put some red envelope or some coin or some chocolate. Okay. So as you can see, I printed out the paper. I make the character in Chinese character, so you can exactly come out for the Chinese New Year. This is a good luck character, full, or you can write anything else, or Happy New Year, you have a prosperity year. And this is all, this is the body, all kind of the shape. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, this is a very simple way to make the pocket. All right, and I'm gonna split up a couple steps, and one we make the pocket, and then one we make the head and the nose and the head. Okay, and also you can use white paper if you like, and for students to color to make their own design. If you prefer to do any kind of design, you can always use a white color. If not, then you can use a red color. Okay, all right, let's do it then. You can use a piece of paper, red color, and then a double-sided. Okay, then you make a copy of the characters. Okay, you see it. Then we're gonna fold it, fold a triangle. Okay, fold like this, and then the leftover we're gonna cut it out. Right, so this is just like this. So after you cut it out, so we have a piece of this paper, square paper. So this is the step one. Okay, after you cut out the paper, all the paper is a square. Okay, then you're gonna place down. Right, you're gonna make it into half. After half, you're gonna make another half, and you're gonna make another half. Okay. So when you make another half like this, then you're gonna make it another half from the middle. Okay. So we have the half. Now you can open it. So in the top part, you just fold a little bit, just like a little bit. Right, the top one. And then in the bottom, we're gonna fold into the middle, exactly to the line. See, that's exact to half of the line. Then we're gonna go back, flip it, fold back the same like before. Right. So now we're gonna take this top part in the corner part. You slightly goes to this. So this corner you're gonna make into the middle line, right? And the same thing, this corner, the corner. Okay. So you're gonna make into the middle line. Alright. So this is look like a shirt. So you turn around. There you go. Then you can see this is called Happy New Year, and like prosperous. Okay, so this kind of thing, 新年快乐，恭喜发财. And this is the pouch, and this is the one you can use. Of course, you can put anything. You can put chocolate, you can put money, you can put coin, or you can have a red envelope. Okay, you can put in the red envelope. This is the white color. So white color, if you do in the white color, you can have the kids to color in red. Suppose you don't have a red paper. Okay. Then we have this printed, the pigs too. Okay, so you can have anything you can put in there. So this is the first part we made it. It's a very simple step. Okay, all right. Okay. Now the second part, we're gonna make the pig head. Okay, look like this. I'm gonna use a white paper. It's easy for you to look at it. Okay, so you just use a square paper. You cut it square, the same like before. So after that, you fold it into half of the paper, and then from the other half, you're gonna fold half again. Okay, fold half, and then fold half. Okay, so after that fold half, you're gonna fold another half the same way like before. Then you open it. Okay, then you use the middle line, and then you fold from top to here to the middle half again. Okay, after you fold half, you're gonna fold a little bit triangle in here, leave a space about like this. So you fold a little bit half like this, okay, and both sides, okay. So after this, you're gonna put a little bit in the top, okay. That will be the pig ears, and then you're gonna fold a little bit to the top, okay. Then the leftover part, you're gonna take this part goes to the top, okay. So you're gonna fold it into the top, okay. All right, the top. Then from this and this left one, so you're gonna make it half, go down, okay. All right, so after go down, you just fold a little bit triangle in the side, in the bottom, both sides, okay. Okay, so your ending is behind, looks like this. Then you turn around, is your pig face, okay. So this is what it's gonna look if you use a red paper. It's gonna look like this, okay. Then the next step, I'm gonna teach you how to make a head, okay, all right, or the nose. Okay, this part is gonna show you how to make the pig nose, okay, all right, the nose like this. So I'm gonna show you with a bigger piece of paper, in the white paper, so you can easily see it. So you use a square paper and you make it fold a horizontal for both sides, okay. Then after you get the middle line, you just fold a triangle, okay, corner to corner, bring it to the corner, all four sides, okay. So this is the first time you do this. Now you're gonna do the second time. You're gonna bring the corner to the middle line, to the center, okay. So all four corners the same way. Now you're gonna use corner to the center. So this is the second time to fold it, okay, corner to the center. All right. Now this is the second time. Now we're gonna do one more time. One more time. We just do the corner again, but we don't want to do all four corners the same way. We just do the two corners across to each other. We fold it to the middle, okay. All right. And the left, the other side, you do not want to fold through all of it to the middle. You just fold a tiny bit, okay. All right. Only the two corners you fold to the middle, but the other two you just fold a tiny bit, okay. Then you turn around. This is the nose, okay. It's gonna look like this, all right. So remember, you just fold two corners in the middle. That's the third time, okay. And then the other two, you just fold a little bit. So this will be the nose, okay. Now the final step, we're gonna do the head, okay. This is a tiny head, and you can use regular paper, color paper, anything, but I like to use the shiny one, which is this is a wrapping paper, okay. So you can, it looks shiny to me and it looks very nice, so you can pick any paper, but this is the way to do a head. You can take a piece of the same thing, a square paper, you fold it into half and half, okay. All right, after you fold half, you're gonna take one side, okay, fold it, fold like this, and then fold only two, okay, only two sides, okay. Then you're gonna get this the corner to the middle, okay. You're gonna fold the corner to the middle. All right, after you fold the corner to the middle, then you fold a little bit and then take it out, just fold a tiny bit. So this is called, if you can see it, you can just fold like this. So this is the top of the head, just fold a little bit, okay. And you can and that's basically the head. So you can flip around, you can make a little bit pleat if you like to, okay. All right, so this is the head. See it, okay. So this is the way to make the head. You can make a smaller piece. If this is too if you want to make another pleat, you can do the same thing. You can make it like this way. Alright, you can do the same way like this. Then after that, you got your face. Now, if you use a red paper, so the cheek will most likely you will not show up. So I use a tissue paper, wrapping tissue paper. You can just cut out a circle to paste on it. Okay, so this will be your pig. Okay, so after this, you get your claw. You can just attach to it. There's a hole in there. You attach to it. Okay. So this will be your Chinese New Year pig. And you can attach anything. You can attach the coin, the lucky coin. Okay. Or you can have some red envelope. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time again. Bye bye.